We've just acquired this Volvo XC90. It's the D5 all-wheel drive. It's in lovely condition throughout and very high specification. It's finished in grey, as you can see. All the alloys are in absolutely spot on condition. It's got the dual opening tailgate, so you can either open it like that or you can open the lower half too. It's got the third row 7 seats in the back there. These will fold down and give you a lot more space if you don't require the seats. To the rear entertainment pack. It's the factory fitted Volvo pack on there. DVD, full leather interior, access to your 7 seats there. It's got electric memory seats, it's got heated seats. I'll just step into the car. It's done 86,496 miles. Heated seats, climate control, does have bliss as well, and power folding mirrors. We've got the pop-up satellite navigation there. Air conditioning, remote for the rears, does have the headphones as well, locking wheel nut. At DJH we do offer full dealer facilities, including arranging finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.